Hello.
Please introduce yourself and spell your name.
David Sims, David Sims.
How are you employed, sir?
I'm retired sergeant for the Adelson Police Department.
How long were you with TPD?
28 years.
And were you working there back in 2018?
Yes, I was.
Did you respond?
You said 2018?
I'm sorry, sir, 2014.
2014, yes.
I'm sorry. Did you respond to 2116 Trescott Drive back in on July 18th of 2014?
I did.
All right. And what were you responding in reference to?
A call of possible shots fired.
Okay. What did you observe when you arrived there?
When I arrived, I parked on the street, and the neighbor, Mr. Geiger, pointed out the house. I walked up the driveway. The garage door was up. There was a vehicle parked in the driveway running. Mm-hmm. As I approached the vehicle, I noticed glass on the ground outside the driver's side, and I checked the door locks, and the car was locked, but it was running. There was a person inside the car, kind of slumped over maybe a little to the right. The glass for the driver's window...
Let me pause you right there. May we publish 7, please?
Any objection? This is already...
This one's in evidence, Your Honor. All right, so proceed with your answer. So you arrive, and is this what you see?
Yes.
Except for the doors were shut, correct?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
And as I approached in the picture there, the vehicle door is open, but it was closed and locked when I arrived, and the glass in the driver's door was partially broken out, and there appeared to be a small half circle in that glass as if a projectile had entered or exited through that window.
But at this time, I'd like to move into evidence, State's Exhibit 8.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
States 8 is admitted.
Please publish 8. All right, does this photograph show the little shattered glass with the half circle you were referencing?
Right, up there in the corner.
Okay. What else did you observe there?
Inside the vehicle, I called the victim's possible name. I was given the name of Daniel. I called Daniel. There was no response. He was breathing, but in a gasping manner. It was just kind of repetitive gasp. No movement, no response to me. I went around to the other side of the vehicle after I had unlocked. I'd reached in the window, unlocked the door, went around to the other side, opened that door, turned the car off so the car wouldn't possibly be put into gear when EMS got there, plus the fumes. So I dropped the keys on the floor in the garage, and I tried to call his name again, no response. By that time I heard EMS, their sirens right down the street, so they were almost there. I did notice that in his left hand he had a cell phone, and in his right hand he had like a business card. And he also, there was eyeglasses. Half was laying in his lap, and the other half was laying on the floor of the car, like they had just been broken right across the bridge.
All right, this time I'd ask to introduce into evidence States 9 and 10.
Any objection?
No objection.
States 9 and 10 are admitted.
Publish 9, please. All right, so this, could you zoom in a little bit on the floor of the garage next to the driver's side? All right, so what is this that we're seeing on the ground here?
That looks like possibly the cell phone, and I don't know if that's the glasses or not, because once this picture would be after EMS arrived, and they took him out of the vehicle, and I'm not sure what on that side, what was moved and everything that was done when EMS was trying to extricate him from the car.
Okay, before the doors were open and EMS extricated the victim, were you able to observe some shattered glass?
Oh, there was definitely glass on the outside, yes.
Okay. And next photo. 10. Publishing 10. It's just another shot of that shattered glass there. And can you tell whether those are the glasses that you observed?
Yes.
Okay, and the cell phone there on the ground?
Correct.
Okay. Where was that cell phone when you initially observed it?
It was in his left hand.
So it was moved whenever they removed the victim.
Correct.
To try to render aid.
Correct.
And was he taken to the hospital?
Yes.
When you say that you opened the car doors, did you have to touch both door handles to do that?
Usually when I have a car that's something like this, a stolen car or anything that I don't want to get prints on, in my uniform I always have a pen, like just a big pen with the top that comes off. And I use that to pull in the door handles, and I use that to reach in and unlock the vehicle so I don't touch anything.
Okay. Did you observe any signs there at the scene that there had been forced entry of the residence or anything disturbed or taken?
No, after the victim was removed from the car, then myself and another officer, we took the keys that I had taken out. We had to unlock the door to get into the house from the garage, and we checked the house. The other doors were locked, and there was no signs of anything in the house, no persons and no struggle or anything inside the house.
Okay, and the children were not present at the scene?
Children were not present.
Okay. Did you move the car at all?
No.
All right, so the way it's photographed here is the position it was in when you found it?
Right, after we were done checking the house, then the scene was turned over to our investigators and to forensics.
Okay, no further questions.
Cross-examination.
No questions, Your Honor.
Is the sergeant released?
Yes, sir.
You may step down. Have a good day, sir.
Thanks, sir.